was over here refilling my water cup. See? What's that? I says, that's dinner. What? We're having frog. So, I can touch it. Evidently, it's safe to touch, although, feeling nervous. Frozen. I feel like it's gonna bite me.
Oh, I've never seen a frog face.
Oh, there's a small one. So we're right now we're thawing out the frogs. Look at their feet. Oh, crunchy, crunchy.
Let me see.
Oh. Froggy, 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 froggy.
Wow.
Froggy, 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 froggy. Now, to be clear, I had frogs' legs before, and they're really great. Tastes like chicken. Tastes like delicious meat. But this is a whole new experience. I'm gonna wash my hands.
You've never seen it like this.
I've never seen this, and I guess we'll eat more than just the legs. We'll eat, I don't know. There's eyeballs involved, toenails involved. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Okay, first time eating, what is it, half a dozen frogs for dinner. What is it, one frog per person? How much frog do you eat?
2 per person.
Is there a breast meat to a frog? Many things to learn in this video. Many things to learn. I'm gonna wash my hands now. Alright, you ladies have done such a great job, but I'd like to be involved in the frying process. So we're gonna fry some marinated frog. There you have it. Here we are in the outdoor kitchen. Outdoor with a roof. I got my shield here. We're afraid there's some water in the frog and might pop, so I'm gonna put the frog and then block Captain America or something.
Alright.
Here we go! Zaga! Oh, it's a leg! There you have it. Frog's leg. Ooh. Looks like chicken. Ooh, watch out. Smells like, I don't know.
I thought you were going to cook it, Steve.
I have the shield and I'm doing nothing. Okay, I try.
Maybe I have to move this side, maybe a second.
Maybe wait.
Yeah. You can put in one more leg. And
Well, good thing I have the shield.
Protection.
Okay, you put in this leg. You put in this leg.
This leg.
Over here. Over here.
It looks like there's lots of meat actually.
Looks quite good, doesn't it?
Almost look like chicken leg.
Chicken
Or
leg.
what's the bird called?
Quail.
Quail, that's right.
Woo! Shield. There you have it, guys. Oh. Hogging camera. Greasy camera. Oily lens. There you have it, guys. Good thing I got the shield.
Wait for a while.
The cooking warrior, they call me. Need a spatula in this hand.
Okay.
Cooking warriors,
Cooking warrior.
unite! Okay, here we go. Is it dry? Yeah.
I'm not sure whether what you do is that. Oh, just turn over, yeah. Slowly turn. Not yet, flash. Turn over. Woo! I should use the...
Okay, good, Steve.
There we go.
Actually, it smells pretty good.
It looks like a lady's leg wearing a high heel shoe. You know? Like a sexy pose, you know? It does, right? Looks like this.
Looks
Look at
pretty
this.
muscly.
Look at this. That's what I see. Right?
Pretty strong legs. Look at that
Strong
calf.
Look at the calf. Yeah, you're right. The calf is oversized. Weightlifter calves. Alright, so I'm learning you can absolutely not eat raw frog. This cooking job is critical. I thought it was just kind of like have fun, but like potentially worse than raw chicken is raw frog.
Really?
Parasites, bugs, so you must clean it properly. You can see them golden browning up very beautifully. Come check this out. This is just a thing of beauty right here. Look at this.
Wow. It looks like it's gonna burn.
No. Oh, there's a better.
This side. Oh,
Cooking warriors.
woohoo!
There you have it, guys. Who's hungry? Look at that. Frog's legs, like we're in France. Oh, Ivana, Ivana. Look at this guy. Woo! Boing, 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 boing. Grab it. Grab it.
Alright, Steve.
Grab
Don't
it.
play with your food.
Don't play with your food. Woo!
Another one.
Where's your
Shield! Shield! Woo!
Do one more. Okay, cooking warrior. He doesn't.
Looks like two bodybuilders in the jacuzzi. Look at the strong legs on these guys. Hey man, good workout, buddy. Woo. Quick snack for the chef. Well, for the chef. You guys did the preparation. Quick snack for the fryer.
Hot?
Hold on, hold on.
Ooh. Let me see the meat. Okay. Looks pretty good.
It's actually very good.
Good.
Almost indistinguishable to chicken.
Really, it's like
Exact
it
same as
tastes like
chicken. More crispy, no skin like chicken skin. So no skin, but very good.
You know what?
Absolutely lovely.
It might taste like quail.
It might taste like quail.
Is it fishy?
Not fishy at all.
Wow.
It's
Okay.
like chicken.
You like
in
it?
fact, in Chinese, in Hokkien, frog is tuitke, which means water chicken.
Okay.
Boom! Ivana's dad told me that 2 years ago, and I still remember it. Come on. Right? Tuitke.
Sweet cake, yeah.
Tuitke.
Nice one.
Water chicken. Very good. I mean, great food. Oh, the sunbathing bodybuilders gotta flip. Look at that. Oh, I burned his back. You gotta flip. Oh. Woo! Woo! Chill.
Looks like a chicken drumstick.
It's really good, Ivana. Crispy, juicy, tender, yummy. Watch the eyeballs. Ooh.
It's good.
It's nice, right?
The seasoning is good.
The seasoning is good. This is one of those foods that it might feel like you're being adventurous, but really the flavor is so familiar, not being adventurous.
I heard the frog is quite expensive because it's hard to catch it.
Hard to catch.
Yeah.
Here's a question. What do frogs eat? Insects, no?
Yeah, I think so. In
So it
fact,
should be pretty clean meat, I would say. They're eating protein, little bugs.
yeah. Is it insects, really?
I think I have a vision in my head of a frog's tongue going blop and grabbing a fly.
You're right.
I don't know if
think
that's
so.
right. That could be cartoons.
Yeah. But some frogs are actually poisonous, so you gotta choose the right one.
Good point.
Yeah.
Good point.
Don't choose the bright color one. Anyway, just buy it from someone to be safe. Do not catch your own frog and do not cook it and eat it. So,
Oh, look at these guys here. Relaxing in the pool. I think ready. All right, take him out. Oh, Ivana, maybe the bones for the dog.
dogs cannot eat bones, frog bones, because it's too sharp.
It's too what?
Sharp.
Oh, dogs cannot eat frog bones.
Yeah, it's too sharp.
Oh, good thing I asked. I was gonna go give it to him. I was like, perfect.
Yeah.
It's too pointy, I guess. The tip is
Yeah.
too pointy.
Dangerous.
Dangerous
For
for
a
a dog. There you have it, guys. Don't feed frog bones to a dog. Now you know. Can you hear that? It's like a cow, right? Hear that noise. Listen. That's a frog. It's like a cow.
I think it's a toad though, not the kind
It's
of
not
frog
this type
that
of
you
frog,
eat.
but it's very fitting that at the foreigner's first frog fry, we hear a frog. There you have it, guys.
So Steve,
Ah,
frogs, they're non-halal, right?
frog is non-halal.
Oh, why?
I know all amphibians are non-halal.
Ah,
Someone told me that in the comments.
but why?
Why?
Yeah,
I guess it's considered unclean in some way. I think halal is mostly about cleanliness.
cleanliness.
But I know amphibians no halal. Listen to the frogs. There's a symphony of frogs happening here. Sounds like a seal.
Woohoo!
Ooh, like a trampoline. Boing,
Oh, Steve,
boing.
playing with his food again.
act
Come
your
on.
age. Act your age, man. Gonna go in for some thigh here, some frog quadriceps with a little bit of nasi goreng. Ivana, have I leveled up my eating habits or what? I went from afraid of a fish fry to enjoying a frog fry.
Wow. Good for you, Steve.
I'm a worldly person. It's so good, Ivana. The marinade on the frog, really good. What'd you guys put? Turmeric, curry powder, salt, really good.
Yeah. So you cut off all
Cut it off.
the
and then-
fingers.
Yeah, or you can cut here. If it's
Wow.
a bigger one, this is a small one, so I just leave it as a whole.
Okay, so you don't eat the head.
No, nothing to eat there.
Ooh. So painful.
It's dead long, long dead. This is a big one.
Oh.
Mm.
Wow. Look at the muscle.
Yeah, bodybuilder.
Bodybuilder muscle. So you bought these frogs from a seller, right?
Yeah.
You didn't catch it yourself.
He slaughter it. He slaughter it. No, then you just
Ah, okay.
yeah, just
Oh, special scissor.
oops. Yeah, can use a knife, but no. Oh, where's the joint?
Oh, this one is the big one, so you cut off the leg.
Yeah, I can't find it. This is very tough. I miss the joint there. Miss the joint.
Ooh. Got the eyeball.
This one not much meat, you see, this one. Unless you want to deep fry it, you know, it becomes crunchy. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
So these are the part that we're gonna eat. And this one goes into the garbage. Bye bye heads and toes. Okay, now we're gonna season it. We have put some salt and then turmeric powder.
Curry.
Oh, curry powder.
Yeah, I don't have turmeric.
Okay.
Then out of it.
Marinate it. It's gonna be tasty. It's gonna be deep fried, right?
Yeah.
Deep fried. Deep fried frog leg. Nice.
I mean, I feel like it's finger food. Is it wrong to go up like this? Oh, look at the calf on the guy. Ivana's right. Amazing calf muscles. Look at the calf on the guy. Oh, the calf is the best part. Comes out so easy. And it's all meat. Look at this. Put it off. Boop. Perfect.
Good. How many stars?
Oh, it's 5 stars. Guaranteed 5 stars.
5 stars.
This is better. This is better than fish for me.
Oh.
I'm getting better at eating fish. You guys know this. This is unbelievable.
You like frog more than
I like frog. I'm a frog eater.
Alright, frog eater.
I wish there was more meat on a frog. Well, not really. Just have 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Amazing. Can't go wrong. Nasi goreng, a little bit of soup here. Can't go wrong. What else can you do? What else can you do with frog? You can fry it. Can you make frog soup?
Yeah. Soup.
Can you make frog casserole? Sounds gross. There you have it, guys. Frog. 5 stars. Foreigners first frog fry. 5 stars. Finally.
Nice one.
There you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you guys in the next one. Oh, one more thing. Look at the body here. This is a legless frog body. Legs were here.
Okay.
Let's investigate on what happens when you try and eat a frog body. Are there frog ribs to eat? Are there organs here? No organs.
No, I think
organs.
it's been cleaned.
It's been cleaned. So this is part of his rib cage. You can see his spine in here. That's exciting. So are there ribs in here? Feeling nervous? Really good. Look at this.
Not much meat.
Not much meat on a frog body, but if you take off the left side here, I think I just eat everything. Anything I should watch out for? No. okay to eat.
Good.
Anything I should watch out for? No. Bones? No.
No. Bones, just take it out. Don't eat the bones.
Don't eat the bones. There you have it. Frog body.
Sharp.
Not as good as the legs, but still very good.
Not very meaty. Huh?
Not very meaty, but lots of
good.
skin, and it's all fried, so it's all tasty and still
Alright.
good. Really
Nice.
good. Well, there you have it, guys. Now, we're officially done the video. Frog's legs, amazing. Frog's body, still good. Is there any frog head? No.
No, you don't eat the head.
Don't need the head. So we had a headless frog fry today.
Alright.
There you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.